Hi there, this is Sarina. Welcome to my CS journey. I've been seeing lots of TikTok recommending a course named Missing Semester by MIT, so I thought maybe I can watch it too and give the review. In this video, I want to talk about the main ideas in this course and a brief summary of each lecture, what I learned and what I recommend instead of each lecture, what to watch and what to don't waste your time on. So the main idea of this course, written in their own website, was many topics are rarely covered in institutions and students never shown how to use some tools and waste their time on tasks that should be simple but they're not. The course will cover both tools and techniques that each CS graduate must know, such as command shell, version control, text editing, remote machines, and more. If you check their channel, you'll see that it's not the first time that they create such a course. Sadly, something that was missed in this version was a lecture for security and cryptography, which they had in 2020 version. The topics contained in this course are Intro to the Shell, command line environments, development environments and tools, debugging and profiling, version control and Git, packaging and shipping code, agentic coding, beyond the code, code quality. As you can guess, agentic coding is new lecture that wasn't in the previous ones. The two first lectures were the most beginner tutorial I've ever found, which can easily be replaced by this YouTube video and this FreeCodeCamp handbook. And there wasn't that much complicated thing mentioned in these two lectures, so you can easily skip them. The other lectures was about development and debugging. They were actually the most updated and completed courses I've found in YouTube. In third lecture, they covered text editing, modify, and more about AI-powered development. Also, in debugging lecture, you will learn how to debug and log a program. You will learn about recorder play debugging and why traditional debugging is useless for some few program examples. Some important topics are also covered, such as system call tracing, network debugging, memory debugging, and how we can use AI for debug our code, and other useful tools that we can use for this course. Also, some tutorials for profiling. Also, it's cool to know that in their website, for each lecture, they have a bunch of exercises that can help you understand better. The two other lectures about version control and agentic coding. I don't know, it can be replaced easily by better resource because the only thing that was taught in the Git and version control was how to use GitHub. And for agentic coding, it was basically a little math behind LLMs, and it will switch to how we can use Cloud Code, which you can just use Anthropic Academy course named Build with Cloud, and learn more things than this lecture. If I rewatch the course, I would likely to start with packaging and shipping code lecture, because firstly, it will cover the most important topics such as packaging, versioning, containers, configuration, and more things like that, and I found it really helpful. The other last two lectures was also good for knowing what are expected beyond your code in workplace and how we can write a high quality code. Overall, the course successfully achieved the main goal idea and teach 1,000 students lots of things that are really important for handling and face the problems that we have. I guess the lectures that I mentioned in this video worth watching twice, but if you don't have time, you can use the recommended courses and resources that I mentioned in this video and keep learning. Thanks for your time to watch this video. Have a great day.